Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting piece of technology, a 2.5-inch HD FPV quadcopter that's being called a game changer in the FPV world. This drone is designed to really elevate your aerial photography and racing experiences, promising a unique blend of style, performance, and durability. It's presented not just as a piece of hardware, but as an experience waiting to happen. One of the big highlights is its video capabilities. It features an O3 camera system, which is known for crystal clear visuals. What's particularly clever here is how the camera is mounted. It sits independently on a shock-absorbing gimbal, using damping balls. This setup is specifically designed to eliminate those annoying IMU resonance problems you can sometimes get, resulting in footage that is stunningly stable and incredibly clear. This is perfect whether you're trying to capture breathtaking landscapes or fast-paced action sequences. Underneath, this drone is powered by a highly efficient Taker G435 AIO flight system paired with 14 4500 kV motors. This combination provides plenty of power for its size while maintaining efficiency. Despite its compact and lightweight design, the description emphasizes that it doesn't compromise on power or stability during flight. This makes it sound like a solid performer in the air. For navigation, it includes integrated GPS. This is a great feature for precision navigation and also helps with rapid satellite acquisition, which means less waiting around before you can fly. Speaking of size, it's quite compact, measuring around 4.5 by 2.5 by 4.5 inches. Its lightweight design is also highlighted as meeting FAA standards, which is a plus for many pilots. The material is plastic, and it comes in black. Overall, this 2.5-inch HD FPV quadcopter seems to pack a lot into a small package. With its state-of-the-art O3 video transmission, advanced anti-shake technology, efficient flight system, and integrated GPS, it's positioned as a top choice for both recreational flying and more professional aerial work. It sounds like a drone that aims to deliver a superior aerial journey.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.